Get up. Go. Come on, Bettis.
Oh, come on. I'm just relaxing here.
Bettis, come on. Bruno, go. Go.
Oh.
Bettis, come on. Come on, Bruno, over here. Come on, Bettis.
Why does Bettis get the big bed?
Go. Come on.
What? I'm just sleeping. What's the big deal? What do you want?
Go.
Hey, guy.
Lift your pillow. Good boy.
Alright.
Good boy. Bruno, come on.
What's the difference?
Corner, Bruno.
Good boy. Come on.
Alright, guy, relax. Hold your horses. I'm a little groggy right now.
Good boy. There. Now you lay down in your pillow. You lay down in your pillow.
Alright. Ooh, I want to tear into it. Come on. Come on, guy, let us tear into it.
You're not saving your...
Come on, guy, let us play with it. Come on. Come on, guy. I got it.
Come on, let's go.
I'm ready. Here I come.
Ooh, is that
Get out of my way.
big head?
Shut up.
Bags.
I got him.
Maybe
Hurry
go.
up.
Hold on, it's cold outside.
It's not even that cold out here and they have me wearing this stupid jacket.
Oh, hey, guy. Oh, I can't wait to go play. What? Stupid squirrel! Oh, come on, guy. Let me at him. Let me at him. Come on. Let me get that squirrel. Let me teach him a lesson. You, let me teach him a lesson. Real good one.
I told you I can't take a shit with you guys watching me. This isn't easy. It's like shitting on a popsicle stick. Have you ever seen a dog do the moonwalk?
I get to go for a walk with you. I get to go for a walk.
Shut
Come
up,
on,
Bettis.
Gizmo, get off me. I freaking had enough, Gizmo. That's it. Guy, handle it.
Sit.
Yeah, sit, guys.
Stop.
There you go. Sitting.
Shut up, Gizmo.
No. Bettis.
Me puppy?
You guys are still outside, and I'm in here in a nice warm kitchen. You guys look real stupid right now. I hope you're having fun, Bettis. Come chase me now.
Shut up! Combo!